This is what we are going to be expecting for the day on our Swiss franc JPY. So first thing first, if you have not yet subscribed, make sure you click on the subscribe button. Make sure you like, share, make your comments. Also follow the Telegram channel so you will not miss out on any single updates. You will find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. Now, if you take a look at this your Swiss franc JPY, right, you can clearly see that Swiss franc JPY is in an uptrend move. We are in an uptrend move. As you can see, there is a series of higher high and higher low playing out. Now, this is it on your daily time frame. This is your high on your daily time frame. Here comes the higher low, right? Market was now able to push up again to form a new higher high, and here comes the higher low, right? Market then push up again to form a new higher high. Here comes the higher low. Now that we've gotten this higher low, our next movement on Swiss franc JPY will be a bullish move that will form a new higher high. So guys, we are currently trading at 199, which is 199. We will be expecting this Swiss franc JPY to push further up till it is able to tap a level of 201. So 201 is our next target on Swiss franc JPY. Now let's go down to the 4-hour time frame. This is our double top, double bottom here that market has given, which made it push up. Then market was able to pull back to a test, and now we are expecting Swiss franc JPY to push up one more time till it is able to clear this high. Once it clears the high, a pullback will play out. Then another push up again will play out again till it is able to tap a level of 201. So guys, a bullish move for the day is what we'll be expecting on Swiss franc JPY, right? More updates right on this Swiss franc JPY will be covered in the group. So all you just need to do is click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments, and also click on the bell notification so that once we drop an update, you will not miss out on it. And also stay updated by following the Telegram channel. You will find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section.